Listen to me.
Tape is rolling. Stand by.
I want the most powerful 3-minute button yet out of the top of the show.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
It's great. It's great. So now, if you can get this done in a lunch hour, you can also get liposuction done in a lunch hour, correct?
That's correct.
Now explain what this procedure is, because this is something new. What's it called? Smart lipo?
It's called smart lipo. This actually is very similar. We don't use general anesthesia. We use local anesthesia and sometimes some pills. And we take a laser through the skin and dissolve the fat and turn it into a creamy substance and then vacuum the fat out. So it's a much more delicate procedure than classical or traditional liposuction.
Is this procedure safe for everyone?
Well, it has been approved by the FDA. The complication rate is about 1% compared to 10% with classical or traditional liposuction.
Wow. Well, our next guest, the quick fix smart lipo procedure took place, and it promises to be something that's going to, it can remove fat from your body in less than 40 minutes. Take a look at this.
I'm getting liposuction because basically it's my last resort. I've tried other things, diet, exercise, creams, gels, anything out there, and nothing gets rid of the cellulite I have in the backs of my thighs and my rear.
These the areas that you had concerns about? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
I chose smart lipo over normal liposuction because I want to take care of a small area, not huge sucking of fat.
Well, she is an excellent patient for smart lipo. I think she's going to be extremely ecstatic about having these changes and looking better and feeling better about herself overall.
Please welcome the new Jamie to the show. Have a seat. Talk to me. Obviously, we're not going to have you remove your clothes so we can inspect. However, are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy with the results.
The results, and how long did it take you to recover?
I was back at work in 2 days. 2 days.
And normally people take up to a week, 2, 3 weeks when they have liposuction done, correct? I mean, it can take that long.
That's correct. That's why being gentle with the tissue and using a very delicate instrument gives us a speedy recovery and less complications.
And is this a very expensive procedure, or is it okay? I mean, well, give me a ballpark price of what it would take to do a little something.
Yeah, it runs about $2,000 per area.
Per area.
Per area.
Which, and then the traditional liposuction is about the same, or no?
It's about the same, yes.
About the same, okay. Well, but again, this takes place over the lunch hour. You get it done, and you're back to work in 2 days. I'm going to take a break when we come back. Now, you can lose weight this way. You can get a facelift in 15 minutes, but what if I told you you could walk in 30 minutes, you could lose 15 inches off your body? 30 minutes, and we got somebody in the audience and we're going to send back there and do it to him, aren't we? Yes, we have 15 minutes. If I told you you could do that, would you believe me? Raise your hand. Just a few. Watch when we come back. We'll be back right after this.